It's never too soon to speculate on what the next iPhone looks like or what feature it may have. And such speculation is already well underway. Never mind that Apple typically unveils its latest handset in September, and there is little reason to suspect that the timetable will be changed in 2019 model. Okay, the cashkaro.com site out of India has published the iPhone 11 CDA render of what it claims is an exclusive look at the Apple next flagship through a partnership with trusted leaker OnLeaks. Apple said it does not comment on rumor and speculation. The image of phone show off a triangle-shaped triple-lens camera array, including perhaps a 3D sensor. While that would let a shooter switch among telephoto, wide-angle, and even wider wide angles. The lens would sit under a noticeable camera bump on the top of the rear glass back of the phone, at least on the iPhone 11 Max model or whatever it may be called. The phones may also carry a bigger batteries, and in this irritation it seems the Apple is still not ready to ditch the lightning port and choosing it for the now what is fast becoming the standard of other smartphones, the USB Type-C connector. No word on their 3 might be a 5G iPhone, but even its recent peace agreement with code between Apple and chipset supplier Qualcomm, the 5G for Apple's flagship seemed to more likely 2020 development. It may also be 2020 or well after the Apple might try its own foldable phone on the public, as Samsung has with its now delay near $2,000 Galaxy Fold device. A recent patient feeling suggests that Apple could be working on a foldable smartphone, maybe a device that could be a combo iPhone and iPad of the short. Sooner than that, Apple could borrow a feature Samsung brought its own latest Galaxy flagship. The ability to change another device may be planned on top of the iPhone. We will certainly learn more about the next version of iOS software at the core of iPhone in June when the Apple hosts its own Worldwide Developer Conference or WWDC. On the hardware side, it's mean between now and the September, you can bank more Apple leaks to come. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought on the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.